Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna play pixel gun, but today we are gonna see which gadget is cooler. So this is Ninja Shurikens with Cyber Beast One and Cyber Beast One. So today you're only gonna get killed with this two weapon because we need to count how many. I know we are gonna be in last place, but let's get right into the videos. Let's go. I'm gonna join a match. Okay, I'm actually just gonna join a private match because I don't really want to be last place. So I'm gonna join some private match, a random private match. Okay, let's go. Okay, I just joined. It's a private match, of course, so we are not gonna join the winning team, so I'm gonna random up. Okay, I knew it. Now let's have normal. So this is one kill. I cannot get a kill with this stuff. Hey, I need to equip something. Wait. Okay, he just killed me. Okay, we are gonna equip jetpack. So now let's go. He'll eventually die from our building. Hopefully, yeah, he died. My team is doing hi. Hey. These guys are tough. Actually, we are gonna just play another match with Ninja Shuriken because since it's like some minutes thingy, so we are gonna just move over here. Okay, he just took my kill. I need to run. Okay, I'm not gonna talk for a second. Let's see. Damn, the slow target. My teammate just sniped him. This is no fun, bro. I don't know what am I even doing. Finally. Okay, this one kill for me. Of course, he's gonna be in the team. There, not enough time for the unmotivated call against self-destruct. Oh, the same guy. Oh, you're actually kidding me. Oh, God. He got the rocket man. Oh, my God. This is not great. This is freaking not great. He's trying Ninja Shurikens at me. No one shows Ninja Shurikens at me. Look at teammate. No one killed my teammate, but anybody. Yeah, this can't fuck you. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, my teammate just sniping that guy. Really. The burger. Okay, forget it. It's 3v2. Oh my god, man. My teammate just kept sniping that guy. Hey! Shoot! Pearl home. This is most amazing. You better be. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I have been using Cyber B1, not using the shooting and okay, let's see how we do. We got 4 kills, not bad actually. Now let's go. Let's see. 8. Long stuff. Fast, okay. This is got a tricks. You'll be like whatever. It's just a chew. Man, they want chew, hey. Well, I got something you guys will chew about. It's being bro. Got it, guys. Stop it! Stop! No. I was supposed to get the whatever that's cute again. You get these. Okay, we are losing. Okay. Did he just? Uh-oh. Since you got some problems, if you got some problem, you need to call the mama. Oh, I'm just gonna wait. Like normal people. He got golden clan armor. It's gonna go. This weapon is double kill. This guy is aftering me 2v1. The reaction of this weapon is called haha, take that, bruh. My plan is to stay close to this guy. I don't know what. Review the next he got bamboozled. Great job. And we get a kill with it. Okay. This is our last chance. This is our last now. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. 10 seconds left. Never mind. Never mind. Oh my god! My team better snipe up. Oh my god. Okay, now let's see how many kills we got. 8 kills. I guess the beast must more likely better. So I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Peace.